catch 'em while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
We in our programming with a severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio until 1:15 p.m. EDT. At 12:16 p.m. EDT, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Russell to 6 miles southwest of Greene, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Tallmadge, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Megiddo, Garrettsville, Mantua, Stowe, Broadview Heights, Aurora, New Franklin and Brecksville. Precautionary preparedness actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour will continue even after the rain exits.
I'll never catch 'em while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.